Good morning, y'all. So I woke up this morning wanting to make a dessert for the girls for when they wake up later. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I actually just got baby Kate ready for school. They're already gone. She's already gone to school. And I already made Zay's coffee, so me and Zay got our morning started already. But I thought that I'll go ahead and try this little dessert that I seen on a video yesterday, trending or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and we're gonna see if it turns out right. So let's get into this. I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients. Alright, so first y'all gonna need some peanut butter and cake icing. But first I want to try this peanut butter and chocolate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in the microwave so that it can get hot so it can melt basically. So we'll be back once this melts. Now the chocolate is melt, we're gonna go ahead and put the icing in there and let it melt too. So we'll be right back. Alright, this is how it's looking so far. Next, I'm gonna just add a little bit more peanut butter, and then I gotta put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. It's supposed to be like, I don't know, like a little cookie or whatever. I don't know how it's gonna be, but y'all are gonna see once I get it done. So, alright, y'all. So this is the aftermath. Like swerved it a little bit, so it'll be like cute or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the freezer for like 2 hours, and then we'll come back when it's done. Alright, y'all, this is the aftermath. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven. The freezer. And we're gonna just stay there for about approximately 2 hours, and we will be back.
This is like a cake baby made just earlier this morning. I think it got like peanut butter and strawberries in it. It looked tasty. But this is for the kids. I was just showing you guys and stuff. I hope you guys having a great day. Amazing day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goals. Just be who you want to be. Don't let nobody tell you what to be. Go farther than life takes you. Be the greatest. Touch hearts. Just be what you want to do and go on. Stay positive, stay great, stay amazing. Do what you must. Don't stop for no one. Be where you want to be, because you can do it. Don't let nobody tell you can't do it. You can accomplish anything in the world if you just put your tools, the paper, your artwork in front of you, and just write it down. Be what you must. Stop letting people decide what you want to do in your life. Go for it, and go for it hard. Be truth.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the video. How you guys doing? We are doing amazing. Look at her, y'all. What'd you guys say? Say hello. Anyways, y'all, I just got done cleaning the house up. I just still want to talk. Yeah, I just woke up from a nap. Yes, I did. Zay's drinking his, what is this, babe? Your second or third cup of coffee? Yeah. The girls are downstairs watching TV. Cleaning the downstairs up, so they want to watch TV, so we just left the door open and they're down there watching TV on the couch. But you guys, this chocolate thing I made, let me just show y'all. This thing, I'm not going to taste this. I don't want to try it. I don't want to because I don't like peanut butter like that. But I had one of the strawberries and I didn't really like it. So, but the girls, they was dogging this down. Look, y'all. They had like 2 or 3 pieces each earlier. But it's, I'm not going to say this is healthy because obviously it has a lot of sugar and it has a whole thing of cake icing and a whole thing of chocolate, peanut butter, and regular peanut butter in it. The only thing that's healthy about this is the strawberries. So. Alright, y'all. So like I was saying to the camera cut, I want to try this, but it smells too much like peanut butter, and I'm not really a peanut butter fan.
But she eat jelly all day. Ain't that crazy, y'all? But she eat jelly all day.
Yeah, I eat jelly all day, but peanut butter. But it actually looks good. I see this recipe. It's a no-bake recipe. And all you do is you take icing, like a little container of icing, any flavor you want. Or I'll take vanilla. And then I had chocolate, peanut butter, mixed that together. I had warmed it up to get it melted. And then once that was done, I added some regular peanut butter to it. And that's why you see all the light brown color is the regular peanut butter. And the darkness is the chocolate peanut butter. But y'all, smells alright. But I'm afraid to taste it. I'm gonna give it a try. Hold on. I'm gonna give it a try. Let me see.
Mama, you see all this do for different stuff Mama be working on, Moo. That's crazy. You can't put that back in there.
I'm not gonna put that back in. There's no awful.
You gotta chew it though. I dare you. You gotta chew it. I double dog dare you.
Man. I hate peanut butter.
Swallow it. Swallow. Nope. Can't spit it out. You one made it, so you gotta be the one to be the chef. That's a yummy.
I'm not gonna say yummy.
Say yummy. Excellent. Excellent.
Disgusting.
Say yummy, Moo. Say it's good, Mom. No. Stop giving her stuff.
It's nothing. She can taste it.
No, she can't.
It's just a little taste.
No, she can't.
Well, she liked it. Look at her.
No. No, Moo. Not right now, okay?
I can, yeah, that's disgusting.
Okay, Moo?
The kids can have this.
They eat that all day.
No,
Moo. Say no, Mom. Say no.
I gotta have a little bit of sugar.
No, you don't, Mom. Okay? Okay, pretty Moo? We're not gonna do it. Nah. No, pity. No, Moo. Come on, just spoiling you, Moo. For real.
That's my moo what you expect?
You can't get her no chocolate.
Peanut butter. It's okay.
No, it's not, Moo.
It's okay.
Moo, don't let her tell you that, okay? I'm trying to help you, okay?
She's like, Dad, I'm not making it no better, Dad. I'm just trying to get some food snuck into my system because I can't eat it. I'm too little.
No,
I gotta have a little bit of sneaky here and there.
We're not gonna do this again, okay?
She's like, Dad, don't even do it with me, Dad. Don't even do it, Dad.
No, Moo. Keep it pushing, Moo, okay? Stay motivated. Until the next video. Peace.